Hi, welcome to Techie Dialogue. In this video, we'll explain how to clear browser cache and cookies in Firefox, so you can fix loading issues, free up space, and protect your privacy. Step 1. Open Firefox and click the menu button with 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. This opens the main menu where browser settings are located. Step 2. Click Settings from the menu. This takes you to the main Firefox settings page. Step 3. Select Privacy and Security from the left sidebar. Here you can manage cookies, cache, and other browsing data. Step 4. Scroll down to the History section and click Clear History. This option allows you to remove stored cookies and cached files. Step 5. Click one option. Drop-down menu appears. Select the timescale, how many days or months you want to remove the cookies and site data and cached web content. Step 6. Click the checkbox Cookies and Site Data and Cached Web Content, then click Clear. Firefox will delete the selected data from your browser. Your browser cache and cookies are now successfully cleared. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more simple and helpful Firefox tutorials.